Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 24th on a Thursday, and let's take a look. A little bit different picture we have now in the SPY with the nice move yesterday and back above its 10-period moving average. Looks like it's gapping up today right at this important 50-period moving average, which is also that 44.5 is 445 is a critical pivot level. So watch this level this morning. Be careful. I mean, we're still, even though we're above the 10, don't get all giddy and think all the selling is over because it can come right back. So I think it's a market you can still get your prices. So let's take a look at some setups this morning. I'm still mentioning this Roku yesterday. I did buy it yesterday. I'm still in it. I'm still liking the look of this. I think it has potential for a really good move. Another one on my radar today that I picked up a little bit yesterday and maybe adding is this Amazon. Trying to get back above all its key moving averages after an earnings over here, which looked really nice, but it sold off with the market, and now it's kind of regaining its momentum to the upside. TJ Maxx is one that had earnings and been going sideways. These are always kind of tough for me, but it's a very strong, powerful chart there. Looking for a break of that range in TJ Maxx, but you want something like that to follow through quickly and not fall right back down. So keep an eye on that. And one other here in our little small cap play. Let's see. This one is on or close to a 52-week high. I like the volume bar yesterday. This is one where I'll try to get like a snap back, pull back on that NR. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. One more for Lee, but I think I'm running out of time. That's it for today, guys. Have a great one. Keep it tight, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.